সাবস্ক্রাইব করে নিন আমাদের চ্যানেলটি, বেল আইকনটি বাজিয়ে নিন নতুন নতুন ভিডিও পাওয়ার জন্য।
The Nubia X is a flagship device that comes with a number of features which can turn the users towards purchasing it. The overall performance would be awesome with a strong processor, amazing cameras and battery backup that will power the device for a long time. However, one of the great downsides is its storage, which is limited since there is no external memory slot. Keep capturing moments. Display and camera. The Nubia X flaunts a large 6.2-inch IPS LCD display having a high screen resolution of 1080 by 2280 pixels and a density of sharp 403 ppi, which provides a clear viewing experience for the users. The special feature of this device is its camera, which has a dual rear sensor 16MP plus 24MP, which can capture beautiful pictures that users would love to share. It has the front camera sensor of 8MP that can click nice selfies for the selfie freaks. Configuration and battery. The device is equipped with the octa-core 2.8 GHz, quad-core Cryo 385 plus 1.8 GHz, quad-core Cryo 385 processor, which is seated upon the Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 chipset that can provide a fast performance together. It has the Adreno 630 GPU graphics that will handle the graphics of the device, while the 6GB RAM can provide a lag-free multitasking. To keep it running, it has the Li-ion battery with a massive capacity of 3,800 mAh that can power the device for a long time with a single charge. To fill the battery again in a short time, there is a quick charging V4.0, which will save a lot of time for the users. Storage and connectivity. The Nubia X has an inbuilt space of